for the first time at CEDIA, they had the architects and designers tour, and it's my conviction that the key to the growth of our industry is really the architecture and design community, because I truly believe that we're only hitting 5% of our potential as an industry. And I think that's the 5% that tends to come looking for us. Whereas there's all these home. So we need to get involved, not when someone says, hey, I'm looking at home automation and maybe I should have a home theater as well. We should get involved at the conceptual phase of a home, so that architects and designers can look at this and say, what kind of experiences do I want to design into this living space? And the technology that we provide is a means to an end. I look at our technology and I say, this is what the Parmigiano Reggiano is to the Italian chef. It's what the highest end fabric in the world is to the tailor. But you still need the tailor, right? And that's where also for us the custom integration channel has been so important, because to me, that's the tailor, right? Those are the curators of the experience, the people that can tailor the experience and use the best materials in the world to create that experience.
So I had gone over to meet up with Chris a few days back, and we had a high-profile customer come in. They were owner of several very large high-rise buildings, and one that's actually in development. Now, I can't get too deep, but one of the conversations and why they even went there is, after, you have to imagine, this is an apartment, that each apartment is going to be multi-millions of dollars, and the building was going to need to be super special for people who needed very special things and that couldn't necessarily even go to a movie theater to go see a movie. Now, where I thought it was amazing is, and the customer as well, like they were in love, is when we got into DCI and we were able to tell them that yes, Barco has a product so high end, so perfect,